Welcome back. Now we are again using our professionally cloned voice. We're using the recommended model. However, in reading the text, we noticed that the reading was degraded as the voice progressed. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to increase the stability of the voice. The similarity of the voice really refers to how similar the voice is to the source. So we're going to try to increase the stability. And we're now going to generate the new speech to see if we can get a less degraded narration near the end of the speech. We are now going to click Generate Speech. In the realm of consulting, frameworks serve as the backbone of analysis and strategy development. They offer a structured way to dissect complex business problems, identify bottlenecks, and prioritize areas for improvement. This methodical approach is crucial in navigating the multifaceted nature of organizational challenges, where issues can span from operational inefficiencies to strategic misalignments. Strategic application of frameworks. One key advantage of using frameworks in consulting is their ability to bring clarity to the strategic planning process. By applying a specific framework, consultants can guide companies to articulate their vision, mission, and strategic objectives in a coherent manner. This clarity is the first step towards achieving meaningful change. Diagnostic capability frameworks also excel as diagnostic tools. They enable consultants to conduct comprehensive assessments of a business's health, examining everything from financial performance and market positioning to internal processes and culture. This thorough analysis helps to uncover the root causes of issues rather than just addressing their symptoms. Case study: turning around a failing business. Consider the case of a retail company struggling with declining sales and high employee turnover. A consultant might employ the SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities. So as you can see, the stability control really did not account for the degrading of the speech near the end. So what we're going to do now is we're going to begin to look toward more of the 11 Labs voices. And we will do that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.